Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to change the language in 007 First Lite on PC. It's super easy, so let's get right into it. First, launch 007 First Lite and wait for the game to fully load. Once you reach the main menu, go ahead and click on the Options section. Inside the Options menu, find the language settings and select it. Then, click on Text Language to open the list of available languages. You'll see a drop-down menu with different options. Just scroll through and choose the language you want. After selecting your preferred language, press Confirm to apply the changes. That's it, your game language will now be updated. And that's how you change the language in 007 First Lite. Quick and simple. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.